Welcome to Scratch, and today what we are going to do is a very simple animation to start with, and then if you're experienced in Scratch you can add other blocks, or if you're not experienced in Scratch you can also experiment with some of the blocks. So the link that I've given you takes you to this editor, and you can see I've got two sprites on my stage on the right hand side. Underneath the stage is the sprites icon, so you need to click on the one that you want to code. Okay. Now to add more sprites, you just go down to the bottom right hand corner. You can see here, choose a sprite, and that opens a sprite library. So you could add something else to the mix. So maybe a birthday cake, okay, and move it somewhere else. Okay, so now I've got three sprites. If you want to add a background, just click on underneath the stage here. You can see stage backdrops. Once again, there is another library down here for backdrops, so you can click on this green tab and it brings up some different backdrops. I think I'm just going to go for something easy. I'll just go for the chalkboard. Okay, so here I've got my two sprites and I've got my cake. Okay, and what I need to do then is code them. So I'm going to click on Miss Into High first. This is this one on the left hand side. Make sure that the icon is highlighted. Once it's highlighted, you can go over to the left hand side. You can notice all the different colours down the left hand side. They've all got names. We've got motion, so that's movement. We've got looks, so that's changing the way that the sprite looks, or maybe talking as well. Sound, if you wanted to add a sound to it, and the events. Now the events are what we're going to start our scripts with, so these are the yellow events. You always start your script with an events tab. Okay. Now just to explain how to start the animation, at the top you've got the little green arrow. That starts your animation and the red stop button is next to it. Okay, so when we start an animation we want to say when the animation starts I want to do this. So when green flag is clicked, remember it's Miss Into High that we are coding. When green flag is clicked I wanted to say hello, so I'm going to click on the looks, say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, we could change that hello to hello Into High students. Okay, for 2 seconds. And now I want to move her. I want to move her around. So if I go to motion, I can say, well, let's point her in a direction because we want to say whether she goes right or left. So if I go down motion, it's about halfway down. You see this point in direction 90. Okay, so if you click on that 90, it brings up what's like a clock face, and you can change whichever direction you want to go. So that's the left hand side, or that's to the right hand side. I'm going to leave it at right hand side so we can move her to the right. As long as she doesn't smash into the cake or fall into the cake, that's fine. And then move 10 steps. So I'm going to move her 10 steps. Now that's just a very simple script, and if I press the green flag she says hello Into High students. She moves 10 steps. Now if you blinked you'd probably miss her moving because 10 steps isn't very far. So if I wanted to change that I could change that to 20 steps. Okay, hello Into High students, and she's moved a little bit further. Okay, so that's Miss Into High that has been coded, and you might want to do the same for Master Into High. Okay, and this is just to start us off with animation. Lots more different blocks you could add to this, and each sprite may come with a costume. The Miss and Master doesn't, but let's see if the cake comes with a different costume. It does. Look, you can see we've got two different costumes, one lit and one not, so you can play around with them, and that's in the looks. So you could say when green flag is clicked, go to looks. We can say when green flag is clicked, switch costume to cake A. That's the lit one, so we'll switch it to cake B, so we don't want it lit. Okay, and then we could say go to events, it's control, wait 1 second, and then go back to looks and say switch costume to cake. Oh, we want KK. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, you see the cake lights. The other way we could do it is, instead of having that, we could go to control and bring a forever loop out and just bring next costume. So let's see what happens here. So forever, you can see it's lighting constantly, flickering. You can slow that down by using a wait, say a 0.2 seconds. Let's see. There you see it slowed it right down, and even further. Okay, so you can play around with these and see how you get on. Now, once you've coded your characters and you're quite happy with it, have a play with some of the other blocks. See what else you can do. Make sounds and all sorts of things. Let's see what the cake sounds like. Start sound birthday. That should be interesting. Let's put that up there. Start sound birthday. That's a birthday tune. You probably can't hear it on this, but start birthday tune. Yeah, okay, so there's all sorts you can do. Once you've done that, make sure you save it. So file, and oh, we haven't remixed yet, so we do need to remix. Click this green button up here to remix, to make it your own. Okay, so don't forget the remix button. So click remix, and then we're ready to save it to our own files. So you might want to change the heading as well, change it to something else. So I might change it birthday girl. Okay, and then go to file, save now. Okay, so now it's saved. You do need to share it. There's a little orange button at the top. This is right in the middle at the top, orange button. Click share, and there you have your animation. Put the instructions in here, so click green flag to start. It might be they've pulled other blocks out that say when sprite is clicked, but I'll let you experiment with that. For homework, what I'd like you to do is just highlight, once you've shared it, your project is now shared, highlight the web address, copy that, and then paste it into the homework upload. Okay, so have fun with your animation. Remember, it's got to be about cryptology.